Hey friends, if you wish to turn off Bing Safe Search, then please watch this video. If you want to view adult content or some content which is considered unsafe for a public audience, then you will not be able to do so by default on the Bing search engine, but you can turn off the safe search filter easily. So go to bing.com and then click on the hamburger symbol here. Now click on the downward pointing arrow associated with settings, select more. Okay, now you will be able to see the safe search filter here. It is selected at moderate, in which the text is not filtered from the search results but images are. And if you don't want that to happen, if you also want to see images, then click on off and then click on save and then click on agree. It will require age verification, means it will require you to log in. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.